Welcome to iCallify. In this video, we'll see how you can configure a DID number. DID stands for direct inward dialing. DID is an inbound number or an incoming number which your callers will dial in to connect to your various departments such as sales, support, or main landline number or the reception area, right? To configure a DID, you can simply click on the account dashboard and the DID tile here, or you can navigate to a configuration menu, call, and then DIDs. To add a new DID, you need to click on add DID button. But you need to make sure before you add the DID, if that DID requires the active SIP registration, then you need to create a trunk first. Okay, here I assume you have already configured an inbound trunk for this DID. Now I'm clicking on add DID. Here I have various fields to configure. If you are looking for this DID to bound with a specific department, then you need to select that department. Otherwise, you can select the default company department. Let's say the DID number or the incoming number is 3456789 123. Okay, and this DID is support line, and I'll save it. Once the DID is created, you will see here in the list. Now you need to click on edit button. Okay, so you now have the various routing options for this DID, such as agent, voicemail, call queue, external group, external number, and IVR. If you want this DID number to be routed to a specific agent, then you need to select agent. If you select agent, then you will have a list of agents and you can select a specific agent from there. If that agent is not available and you want this call to be routed to his mobile number, then you can select the external number. Simply you need to put his mobile number and select the trunk through which this mobile number will be dialed. Another options we are having are voicemail, call queue, external group and external number, and IVR. External group is a bunch of mobile or landline numbers which you would like to send this incoming call to. As I said, external number is like mobile or landline number on which you want to forward this DID number. And call queue. Call queue is a queue in which the agents are already logged in, and based on the various routing strategies, the call will be routed to a specific agent. IVR stands for interactive voice response. So if you want your callers to choose on which destination they would like to connect using the dial pad of your phone, then you can select the IVR such that they can have the various options like press 1 to connect to sales line, press 2 to connect to support, press 3 for purchase, and so on. So these are the various options you can get while configuring the DID. Once the option is configured, then you can simply click on save button and your DID will be routed to that specific location, and you can see here the routing of that DID. Thank you for watching this video.